Okay, this is the ending shot from the video I was gonna make. Truth be told, this is the second time we've made this video. I mean, today it's just me because it's the weekend. Yesterday I had my assistant, a little bit more of a production. But it turns out if you take a camera from inside a warm environment into a cold shop like this, you get this, and I learned this yesterday, you get this really awful, hideous halo over everything. So scrapped all of that back today, and we're just gonna talk. Maybe the camera just rolls and I don't do any editing. I don't know. We'll see. But we're here to talk about this bag. End of the year bag. End of 2024. What a fantastic year. I think I got like 30% of what I wanted to accomplish done this year, like 30%. And there was times when it would be 3-4 weeks without making a video. I certainly made less content in 2024, which just speaks to how busy we've been. Thanks to you. And that's again what this is for. So I'm just going to keep filling bags because I've got to get this done. We got to get this video made. You guys are going to slam us next week. I think, I hope. I mean, you will. I know you will. Everyone's lining up for this Paydirt. Half a scoop. Half a scoop seems to be the magic number to get it right at 15 ounces. Nailed it. I have to keep the weight right at 15 ounces of dirt because we have to ship these first class. The reason we have to ship them first class is because it's the best deal I've ever given on gold. It's the best deal, and I want to offer it to everyone. We've slimmed it down a little bit. We were doing these as 5 grams. Now they're 3 grams, but you're getting an extra quarter gram, so 3.25 for the price. You know, I'll show you the label here in just a minute, but it's the best one I've ever made. So I went on the vlog the other day, just scrolling through the videos to kind of see exactly where was I this time last year? What videos were we making? Just kind of a rewind or a recap from the end of the year so I could make this video. And we started in Farncombe Hill, Breckenridge, Colorado. Some of the most amazing gold ever discovered, all on this one hillside. And the majority of it was either melted down or the really good pieces were preserved. They're in the Natural History Museum in Denver. You should definitely go check that out. But there was a prospector and his wife for like the last 30 years that went up to Farncombe and metal detected, and they found what was missed, that metal detectors, you know, they didn't exist back then. So what they found with metal detectors, absolutely amazing. So I got to share all of that gold with you guys, but I didn't share it all. And people have been asking me probably more than anything, where's the wire gold? Where is the wire gold, Mike, from Farncombe? I have a few pieces that I've just tucked away. Look at these things. They're just exquisite. Maybe some more to come in 2025 with these. Ooh, a little piece of gold here in the corner. You know where that goes. I actually started a new tub of gutter gold, all the scraps from all the cleaning projects. Probably need a second camera here. Always some good stuff in there. A lot of these little rocks. Tons of gold in there. A new gutter gold, and maybe in a few years, Dylan will pan this out and go through it all again like he did last time for me. Or maybe we just start this gutter gold next year. We make this stuff today a little more rich than it already was. What if I just put that right there as one of the scoops? What if I just put that? Would that be a lottery bag? Would that be wrong? We're doing it. Can't believe I'm doing it. Whoever gets this bag, whoever gets this bag, email me. Email me. I want to know. Still some in there. Still some in there. It's not all going in one bag. Then probably what is my proudest achievement, definitely the hardest Paydirt to get into the shop. Big Red here from Australia. Had a blast. Have a blast every time I go to that beautiful continent, Australia. And we got to go back. We got to go back. Still have enough of this. If you want a bag of it, it's on our website. And still got to do that Vegemite video. I mentioned I only got done about 30% of what I wanted this year, right? Gold nuggets for sale. This is Mike.
Yes, hi. Is this Allison of Coins?
No, this is not Allison Coins. This is Gold Nugget Sales.
I'm sorry.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'm sorry.
Gold Nugget Sales. This is Mike. Hello?
Hello? Is this Allison Coins?
No, it's not. This is Gold Nugget Sales. Told you I was going to keep the video just rolling. That's what happens. I don't know why. We're on some list. We're getting a lot of phone calls for coin stores. I'll take it because I'm going to convert them. I'm going to convert them. Watch. Okay, but I think my favorite Paydirt for the year, definitely the best collaboration. My buddy down in Arizona, Mike Vendetta, we finally got to make this Paydirt together, and we got to go down and see some absolutely amazing gold. Just what one prospector found in this one part of Arizona, a little bit in Mexico, just unreal. Just an amazing amount of gold, and I got to share that with you. That was a really cool experience. By the way, Guy Reese, congratulations on the new baby girl. And then I would say the most popular Paydirt this year, bar none. I mean, you guys just clean this stuff out every time I bring it in. High grader. This stuff from Nevada, I mean, we got the new gold from there. Truthfully, we took their biggest, chunkiest stuff. If you look at what I have left, I mean, look at what I have left. It's just, we're out of nuggets. So I'm not guaranteeing any nuggets. All we have is these massive clunkers here that, I don't know, I got to do something with them. Probably along with the farm comb. You'll see these 2025 getting listed on the websites. There's still some left. We still have some 1 gram bags, and it gives us something to shoot for next summer. Nevada, here we come. But end of the year, here it is. Here's the label. It's my sister and I. We went up to Liberty, Washington, about a 3-hour drive for us, and we were going to shoot one of the gold mines up there. We didn't really hash it out. We said we were coming. He invited us, but we didn't say we were bringing cameras or that we were at the gold vlog. So he said no filming. So we went up there. We got footage of other stuff. I'll make a vlog next year, but this is the only photo we were allowed to take at that particular mine. He was kind of anti-YouTube, and I get it. He doesn't want to be overrun. But 108% is what this Paydirt is. A thank you bag to you supporting us, buying our products, giving us thumbs up, liking and subscribing, comments in the bottom, whatever you do for the gold vlog. I said it in the last video, I'll say it again. We're just always super appreciative. And this is the best Paydirt I can put out for the year. We're doing it a little different this year. Gold's gotten so expensive. We're putting it in a 3-gram bag instead of a 5-gram bag. So you're going to get 3.25, 108% grams of gold for 3-gram price. 3-gram price. Shipping, you know, you pay shipping when you check out, but that's included in the amount of gold. So if you do the math, 108%, and it's a thank you. It's a thank you. It's the best we can do. We do it every year. We're doing it again this year. Maybe a little less polished video this time, just a conversation with you, but we appreciate you. We appreciate you, Jordan. I'm working on that bag of coffee, sir. Appreciate you. And Happy New Year. Happy New Year. May 2025 just be a fantastic year for everyone. And I'm going to leave it there. Appreciate you. Be well. See you next year.